Hello and welcome to Chapter 1 of Transforming Learning with New Technologies. Chapter 1 is Becoming a 21st Century Teacher. This PowerPoint was done by Ty Phillips and myself, Brian Sager. Just what are 21st century skills? 21st century skills represent the knowledge that students need to succeed in the highly technological and informationally based society that we live in now. 21st century skills include things such as being able to think critically, solve complex problems, being able to think outside the box, communicate and collaborate with others, being able to use information in innovative ways, and take responsibility for one's personal and civic lives. Today's teachers just can't teach the basics knowledge anymore. One in technology that seems important now more than ever are computers. So how do they work? Computers are an information processing machine that manipulates data by following the instructions given. So that means computers do what humans tell them to do. Computers process information in new ways never before thought of using fetch execute cycles every second. And as a textbook talks about technology and computers, the more the common the use becomes, the more technology disappears from our view. So that means we transition from viewing technology as an addition to life to looking at life through that technology. How many people take for granted or hardly notice the new features or the speeds that computers have now compared to the 1950s? And some other tools now are Web 2.0 tools. These are highly interactive technologies that have the potential to transform learning, and some examples of Web 2.0 tools are shown here on the slide. To teach kids 21st century skills, what are some technologies that are must-haves in the classroom? If you ask 10 teachers, you'll probably receive 10 different answers. A national survey of high school teachers had these technologies listed as the top responses: wireless internet, personal computers, interactive whiteboards, and clickers. The textbook lists technologies into 7 different categories, and these include internet technologies, information management technologies, problem solving, inquiry learning technologies, social media technologies, multimedia technologies, differentiating learning technologies, and assessment technologies. An important thing with technology and education is to learn how to use these technologies. Time is needed for teachers to become familiar with technical features and uses of new tools. Add technologies from each of the 7 categories listed in the slide before to enliven teaching approach and vary the learning experience for your students. Create small technology groups in the classroom. An example includes a projector, a computer, and clickers. And focus on learning for students and for yourself. Teachers must be constant learners of technology. Many of you are probably wondering why care about any of the stuff I've just told you about. When 21st century technologies are used properly, they can help teach children the 21st century skills that were listed earlier in this presentation. Remember, just teaching the basics will not cut it anymore. The new generation of children are growing in a different environment than what we grew up with. As I said earlier in this presentation, the new generation of children growing up today are growing up in a different environment than what we grew up in. Today, young children are experiencing a digital childhood, which consists of TV watching, use of computers, and digital media. By 2010, over 50% of kids under the age of 5 were using some sort of electric learning toy and watching close to 4 hours of television a day. 70% of second graders played video games and used the internet on a daily basis. This is far different from the childhood that Ty and I grew up with. Now I'm going to talk about the I generation. The I generation consists of kids the age 8 to 18. These kids have never known a world without cell phones, text messaging, and social media. 95% of 12 to 17-year-olds use the internet. 80% use Facebook and or Twitter. And the I generation's use of entertainment media averages 7 hours and 38 minutes a day. And the usage of the media has a no pronounced gap in usage between genders. With all the advancements in technology, we're starting to notice a technology divide, where the use of technology varies due to students' economic situation. Students in lower income households use internet far less than higher income households. And also starting to notice that parental education is a factor in technology usage. With all the technology in the world now, the role of the teacher is starting to change. It used to be in the past that teachers were viewed as the guardian of all knowledge, as it used to be difficult to find information. Now with technology, information is everywhere and very easy to find. So, how do teachers adapt to technology, especially since students' attention spans are shown to be shrinking? Some ways teachers are using technology in the classroom now are technology-based textbooks and technology-based libraries. Technology-based textbooks allow teachers to no longer be bound to a single textbook or prepackaged lessons. Each teacher can produce a classroom technology-based textbook or NetText and can share their materials with students through websites. The creative possibilities with technology-based textbooks are endless. Technology-based libraries allows teachers to no longer have to spend hours searching for teaching materials. A computer with internet and social bookmarking tools allows teachers to accumulate a vast collection of resources. Another way technology is changing education is through technology-based learning environments and technology-based offices. In technology-based learning environments, teachers can interact with students at home with wikis, blogs, websites, Skype, and email, while in the past, teaching only occurred in scheduled class times in the classroom. The only exception was homework. With technology-based offices, teachers in the past had to work at desks. Now technology allows teachers to organize and manage their professional work electronically, and teaching duties can be performed using multiple forms of information technology, using laptops, tablets, smartphones. Teachers can carry their office around with them at all times. So now you've sat there and listened to me talk through this entire presentation, I'd like to leave you with a question. What can teachers and students do with technology that cannot be done without it?